Four Little Birds, Part 1.
Yay.
Caught right in the middle of this little recording of me working on a picture with 3 panels. This was a tough one. People ask me why I bother making 2 sides to a painting. It's a valid question, because it's an enormous amount of work involved. I sometimes ask it of myself. The real reason is personal, as it should be, I guess. I need 2 sides. It's like 2 sides of a page from a book or a playing card. It goes well with the duality I follow in life. It's an ideology.
Did I do good?
Oh yeah.
Can I practice this one?
But going past these profound ideas we all seek when making art, I do it because it turns me on so much. I love flipping the painting and feeling that it's a complete object. It doesn't have the ugly backside of a canvas. It feels like a flat sculpture. In a description of my work I gave for a show in an interview, I liken my paintings to placing every beloved toy from my youth, every comic book, every board game, and then flattening them in a press. What you would get from something like that is my paintings.
Does it look hard?
Yes.
And something like that would naturally have 2 sides.
Or whatever. So hard.
As far as a practical reason, I do it to give the front side of the painting a different version of itself.
Two, three.
In the case you see me working on here, I did it to clarify things.
Is that your favorite song?
Yeah.
There's something obscure about this work, and I'm providing a version that the viewer can understand better. You might say it would be far easier to just keep working on the front sides until they are clearer, and I would say you might have a point. But sometimes reworking a painting could become an enormous task in itself. And the problem with this painting here is that it's old enough so that I no longer have any connection to it.
I'll try.
Mm.
I just want to get into position.
If I didn't care about this one, and I wanted to roll the dice
Don't do it yet.
and see what I got,
I need to practice.
I might do it that way. The worst that it could happen is that it would get so bad, I just have to gray wash everything out and start with something new. But I like these images on this painting, and I want to revisit the ideas behind them in some future work with more paintings about them. I want something decent to stand in for these ideas until I make something better, and that's this painting. That's how I sometimes work. I make multiples of what I had made before. Often for the simple reason that I choose to revisit old ideas. And I honestly want to see if I still have it in me to make such work again. So to me, working on two sides of a painting is as practical as I can get.
And now my favorite song.
Yay.
And then, so, 1, 2, 3, go.
If you like what you see, like and subscribe to Zap-stract Kinetics. Hit the bell icon to be alerted to new videos. Follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/Ray Armenteros. That's REYARMENTEROS. And on Instagram at instagram.com/Ray_Armenteros. Again, that's REY_ARMENTEROS. Thanks for watching.